guys, so now that we know what to do on the door, I'm gonna try it now on the car. First test on the car. That's the first scratch, guys. Start sanding this part down. This one's completely dry. These darker ones are still wet, these top ones, but this one's dry, so let me hit this one. Okay guys, so we are reglazing it. There's some of them that you can still feel, so we're gonna retouch them again and sand them up again. Okay guys, so I retouched everything, all the scratches with glaze. It seems that this is gonna help a lot because a lot of the scratches went away. Well, they didn't go away, got filled up pretty good with the glaze. And okay guys, now I'm removing the second pass of putty. Getting there, I could hardly feel this one now. Still need to sand this spot a little bit more and wait for that to dry and hit it once again with the pump sander. So right now I'm just concentrating on the front fender. See how it goes. Still need to hit a couple more spots, like that one right there. You can still feel that spot, and I don't remember which one else, but I'm gonna hit that one again. What's up guys, it's Saturday morning, and yesterday was the giveaway, so once again shout outs to OG Plastic Jones. But today we're gonna get our hands back on the BMW 750i. So this is where I'm at, guys. You saw a little bit on my last video showing you guys the fender, but so this is what's been going on. I put putty on all this. You can see, remember I had putty right here, well, all over, but the scratches are still visible. You can still feel these scratches. So what I did right here, I sanded down. I went down all the way to the paint, to the point where I can't see the scratches no more or feel them. So I guess my best bet now is to sand it all the way down where the scratches are at. You sand it all the way down to the scratches are completely gone. I mean, I think that's the easiest thing to do, and I'll still keep trying with the putty, but some of them like the first scratches, they just went away by sanding it down. So that's what I'm gonna do. One of you mentioned the 3M putty. That's better than this one. This one's actually a 3M also. Let me see if I can find it though. So it's a 3M glazing spot putty. I don't know if this one is the one that you're talking about, but I know there's another one. I saw a different one. This one was like $5 and the other one was like 10, so I'm gonna try the other one to see if that's the one you're talking about. But I do want to do putty on the hood because the scratches on the hood are super deep. They're way deeper than the ones on the fender. So I think sanding it down is gonna be just way too much. So let me see if this thing helps. So basically what I'm trying to do, guys, is go down to the clear, like go all the way to the paint. I mean, trying to get most of the clear out so I could get down to the paint, so I could put the putty, then sand it down a little bit more. I don't want to go all the way down like I did on this one. On this one I went down on some spots all the way to the metal, so that's how deep the scratches were. This one's, like I said, pretty deep. See, they're really deep. So for me to get rid of this ones, I need to go all the way down to the metal, and I don't want to do that. So basically, I'm just sanding it, just the top layer, evenly, so I could then wash it and have a clean and good spot for me to put some putty on, and then be able to sand it down again. These ones are really deep, super deep. So yeah, I'm gonna sand the whole hood down, remove the clear. This one seems to be okay now. I could hardly feel, even though these are visible, they're really hard to feel. I mean, you can't feel them. So I'm gonna try to do the same stuff on the hood. So let me continue sanding it. This is the sandpaper that I'm using for the palm sander. It's a 220 grit sandpaper, and it's been working pretty good for what I needed to go down on the clear. Things perfect, quick. So yeah, this is what I'm using. Okay guys, so now I applied all the putty that I needed on every single scratch. I got a little help from my kid, so that's why it looks all smudged and stuff like that. But so I'm just gonna let it dry and sand it down again. The first glaze that I was using did not work. Then I went and got this one. I don't know if you guys can see it. This one is pretty similar to the other one, but this one comes with the hardener that you gotta pre-mix before applying, and it's more like Bondo. It's exactly the same thing as Bondo, but more liquidy, more thin. So it's glazed, but so it's practically the same substance as the other one, but you know, it's like Bondo, smells like Bondo, it mixes like Bondo, it looks like Bondo. So just like a Bondo mix, but just thinner. And that one didn't work either. So now I'm trying this stuff. It's just a filler. supposedly fills deep scratches and sands easily. So yeah, guys, I mean, this thing's pretty hard. A lot of you were saying that, you know, it's a lot of work, and it is super hard to get those scratches. To get those scratches away. But at some points I did get them, remove them, but I had to go all the way to the raw metal, like on this side right here. And I really don't want to go all the way to the metal on the whole car. So I'm still looking for different things to do, so I don't have to go all the way down to the metal on the whole car. So yeah, I just spray that out, and I'm gonna let it dry and sand it down. But this time I'm not gonna use the sander. I'm just gonna use regular sandpaper and water. I'm gonna wet sand everything and see what happens.